All right, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is another attempt at Flip to Videos. This is lesson 9.3 and 9.4. I'm going to go kind of quick, and I'm also going to, you're welcome. I'm going to show you some answers to some of these questions that you might have. So these are the answers to 9.1 and 9.2, and I'm just going to have you freeze it at certain points. You can freeze it at any time and kind of check the work that you've been doing. All right, so there's 9.1. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit so you can see the bottom. Okay. Bring your questions. If you have questions on any of these, bring these on Thursday when we meet. Okay. Here's the 9-1 remembering. Remember, these are just the odd. You just had to do the odd. If I can write. Oh boy. There's the odd. Okay. I'm going to scroll down. All right. Here's 9.2. Here's 9.2. And here's the bottom. All right. So today's lesson is going to be much of the same. Well, here's the even ones. Just do the even ones. All right. So 9.3 is very much of the same, except one thing. They want you to kind of visualize it in your head. And so if you look at Farmer Hanson, Farmer Diaz, and Farmer Smith, each have 3 acres of land. So what they did was they divvied them up. Each plowed 1/5 of their land. So Farmer Hanson did it like this, Farmer Smith did it like this, and Farmer Diaz did it like this. Okay? Can we tell from the picture how many Farmer Hanson plowed? Well, this one would be tough. This one would be tough because there are just 3 sections and we really can't tell where this pink line ends. These are a lot easier. We know that there's 1/5 here, 1/5 here, 1/5 here, and when you add up the 3/5, you get 3/5. Again, down here, you can visualize this down here. And we already know that if you take 3 times 1/5, you're going to get 3/5. Okay? Like if we think about that right there, if I, excuse me, if I show you the answers, here's how they got it. Okay? They counted the shaded parts. 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. Okay? And they can write it here. 3 times 1/5 equals 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. 3 equals 1 acre plus 1 acre plus 1 acre, and out of that acre they took 1/5 out. That's why this is colored pink, colored pink, colored pink. Okay? Now, we can think about this multiplied by a non-unit fraction. Okay, so if we have 1/4, if we have 1/7 of 2, what does that look like? Or 3/7 of 2, what does that look like? Well, if we flip right here, you can tell exactly what we mean. Okay, 1/7 of 2 means you have 0, 1, 2, and you have 1/7 and 1/7. You have 2 of those. Here's the 2/7. 3/7 of 2. Again, you have 0, 1, 2. This whole thing is one whole. This is one whole. Each one is divvied up into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 3/7 times 2. So they count off 3/7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then they add up the circle parts, which is 6/7. 1/5 times 3. 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. 4/5 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You add all those 4s up, you're going to get 12/5. And so on, and so on. Please feel free to freeze this at any point. Feel free to freeze this at any point. Okay? So if you have 4/4, if you have one candy bar, and it's in 4 different sections, okay? When you 2-split the fourths, what fraction? So what they mean is, if we took this and cut it in half, you get 1, 2, cut this in half, 1, 2, cut this in half, 1, 2, cut this in half, 1, 2. what do we get? Well, we get 8. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? The equation would be 1/2 times 1/4 equals 1/8. If you split 3 split it, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you'd have 1/3 times 1/4. Here's the fourth. You're cutting the fourth into thirds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Draw the lines down. It'd be like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Of course, equal parts. I'm doing this on a mouse right now. I apologize. Okay? But now there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And if I change colors, let's go to yellow. Okay? 1/3 times 1/4. So 1/3 is right here. 1/3 times 1/4 is 1/12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 pieces now. We're only using one of them. All right. So go ahead and solve these as practice. Go ahead and pause it. Welcome back. If you look right here, this is what we're doing. In algebra terms, we are doing A times C. We're going across. B times, that's supposed to be a D. B times D going across. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 6 is 24. And so on and so on. Okay? So, here we go. Your homework, right here. Page 225, 26, 27, and 28. Only do the odds on the whole thing. So just the odd problems on 9-3. On the remembering page, 9-3. So odd, odd, odd. I go back. This is odd. 9-4 is just the odd. And the remembering is just the odd. Now, when you come, there'll be more videos. These videos are going to be posted in Schoology. So I added some videos here for you as kind of a reinforcement. Once this video gets done recording, I'm going to add it right here. It's going to be called Unit 9, Lesson 9, 3, and 9-4. Please watch the video and come to school tomorrow if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow.